Hey everyone, we have this KEYA brand Pizza Oregano, so let's check it out. This one is 75g pack, MRP is 112, but we got it from Amazon with 34% discount for just 74 rupees. Link is given in the description box, and it has a shelf life of 1 year. And you have both sprinkle and pour option with this. Let's see. First we need to remove this plastic cover. Just put some pressure with anything and it moves. So as soon as you open the bottle, you get that instant pizza feel, the aroma. And from this circle holes, it comes out little at a time, and from this bigger part, it pour out generously. And this oregano has no preservative, filler, additive or MSG. It just contains salt, dehydrated garlic, mixed spices and herbs. Texture is slightly crispy and coarse. It sprinkles really well, and it's not necessary to use it only for pizza. You can sprinkle it on your pasta, sandwich, soup, sorted veggies, and the taste goes to the next level. So you get that perfect Italian flavor. The spice level is not too high, just right. So if you make pizza, pasta, Italian dishes at home, this is a must have in your kitchen. And if you like the video, subscribe. Bye bye.